How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. First, open the Instagram mobile application, as shown here. This is the homepage of the app. Next, tap on the Create Post icon and proceed to the Story section. Sometimes, when you tap on the Music option, not all songs appear. This can happen due to several reasons, but I'll walk you through how to fix it. Start by returning to the homepage of the app, as seen here. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your account's profile section, as shown here. On this page, there are several options. Tap on the menu icon, which is the one at the top right corner of the screen. This opens the Instagram Settings and Activity page. Here, you'll find various options to manage and adjust your account settings. Now, scroll down. Make sure to follow the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Scroll until you reach the section called More Info and Support. Under that section, tap on the option named Help. This brings you to the Instagram Help page. From the available options, select Report a Problem. Continue through the prompts until you reach the final feedback section, as shown here. In this box, type a short message explaining to the Instagram support team the issue you're facing. Be clear and specific, just like in this example. You can also copy the message I've typed here. After submitting your message, give the support team some time to respond with a solution. Additionally, this issue can sometimes be fixed by updating the app. To do that, go to the App Store and search for the Instagram app. If an update is available, proceed to update it. Updating the app may fix the issue by removing any corrupted files that could be causing it. I hope this issue has been solved for you. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs.